Hi, greetings, Salam Sejahtera. I'm Ilangowan Tangkavelu, founder and CIO of HiiLSE Global Shanghai, HiiLSE Dron Malaysia. We are a drone company doing R&D, trainings, advisory, to do customized drone for industries. Especially today we are going to talk about HiiLSE Drone STEM curriculum, the curriculum for schools. We have obtained the entire curriculum, syllabus, modules, approval from Ministry of Education, MOE. Thank you very much. We are also having a grant for school to open drone lab, HiiLSE Drone Lab. It's a beauty time, great opportunity for schools, guru besar, pengatua, principals, PIBG president can contact us to enable create a discussion. From this discussion, we were able to exchange data to start the drone lab formation in your school, and then we'll provide 1 year module program training. The grant comes with setting up the whole drone lab in your school, from the drone parts, simulations, controllers, software, computer systems, the signboards and everything. That means you will get the complete drone lab STEM curriculum IEEE international standard. And what we'll do, we will provide every week a drone expert trainer visiting to your school. Example, you can have one batch with 30 participant students, which you can select, and they will go through the whole program from basic, in the classroom, we call the assemble drone, and programming, coding, customize the drone, and on the field they will learn how to fly. In a simulation, they will answer question answers to do scripting, the transcript records, the performance of each students, and then that means they will learn how to assemble drone, customize drone, they will fly the drone, they will become a drone pilot. Who can involve? Our approval is for 6 years old kids until 19 years old students in schools, primary and secondary. It can be SMK, it can be SK, it can be SKT, Tamil school, or Chinese school, sekolah agama, even sekolah menengah kebangsaan agama pun boleh participate, boleh apply. So we provide the technology. Our technology partners are various countries from India, Government Aerospace Private Limited, from Europe, from USA, from Turkey, from Russia, and Malaysians. We have professors of drone, aviation, radio frequencies, flying object materials, and so on. We are supported backed by all the great authorities in Malaysia. To name it few, MDEC supporting us, Marantis, Might, for import-export, for example, Matrade, and all mostly MIDA, MITIS. Malaysia government greatly supporting us for industry, as well as like KPM approved the program to be organized in whole Malaysia for HiiLSE Drone STEM curriculum syllabus training for 1 year. After 1 year, what you will do, they will be able to venture the second year students. They will go through a program called Young Scientist Entrepreneurs. And then they will also go through drone racing championship in Malaysia, state level and national, and they also will participate in international countries, regional countries in Southeast Asia, for example. So from HiiLSE Drone STEM Academy, they will also participate championship, R&D development program in Malaysia and overseas. This leads towards to building a technological, technical-based community, especially the emerging industry of drone, which flying machines with various solutions for many industries, including recreational. for students who are applying. And this drone, one-to-one, each students will own their own drone, will own their own simulation controller. They can practice at home, and also they will learn systematically in a school. Ilanggawan Tanggawalu from HiiLSE Drone, Chief Information Officer. Please click and view our website, send email. Especially we invite YDP, PIBG, Guru Besar, Pengetua, and school level higher authorities to communicate for us to launch HiiLSE Drone Lab in your school. Thank you very much. Terima kasih.